Hello, hello. Let me try this layout. That's much better. Okay, welcome guys, everyone. Welcome to the stream. Are we facing any internet issues today or not? I think this is kind of our jam, facing internet issues. Like, what the hell? I've been trying to fix it. Don't know what's going on.
Liquidity that we're looking for. What sucks is we still on and low sitting underneath. If we can sweep out this New York low, take out the liquidity that we put in front, because if we leave it open, I'm more inclined to take shorts now. We just took more inclined to take shorts off the 10 a.m. But now that there's not really a fantastic draw underneath, we have.
Good morning, Romario. How are you? Good morning, everyone. Wait, did you say good morning? Okay, of course there's good morning there. For me, it's good evening. So. Yeah. Good evening? What? Did I say good evening? I said good evening. Okay. Hi, Romario. Go ahead and like the live stream, guys. And let me know if you guys can hear me. Oh my god, there you go. If I'm audible or not. I'm doing good. How about you? I'm doing great. Honestly, I cannot be more happy. Dude, yeah, I'm fine, guys. I am fine.
We also just slept in this 4-hour gap right here. Tapped underneath New York low into the 4-hour gap. Yeah.
Are you gonna trade already?
No, I will be though. We're definitely gonna be looking for longs here. 10 a.m. manipulates to the downside. We just took out a session low. We're gonna go back to the upside and look for that block C. Although I am really nervous about today because we have the 12 a.m. Do you know the concept of I know you know how true open works, but do you understand the concept of when true open is unmanipulated? Yeah.
Yeah, go on.
So you understand how the 4-hour the 3 AMD works, right? Where you manipulate to one side, you distribute to the other, you turn back on the open, and then you expand.
Yeah.
Works the same way as But when we have 4-hour candle with no wick, meaning no manipulation to the upside or downside, wherever it opened, that is a candle looking to get ran, or price looking to get ran in that direction, because every candle ends up having a wick. It's very, very rare that we ever place a candle without a wick. So the true open, you can apply the same concept to. And if you look at the true open from last night, we have no manipulation, no retest, no nothing. It just opens and expands upward. The last time I saw this was during the Iran war. And what it means is it's a beautiful target. We end up targeting from 10 a.m. down to 12 a.m. We run through the 12 a.m. Like, it doesn't end up holding because it has no manipulation. So there's nothing to retest. The only thing is, I got a lot of weird stuff going on today. We have the 10 a.m. open. We're just moving straight down now. Wanted the 4-hour order block C to get tested because we have all the session highs sitting underneath it. It's beautiful engineered liquidity. Price is really making sense right now. 10 a.m. opens. We have no manipulation to the upside at 10 a.m. I'm gonna definitely have to wait this one out.
I feel like gold today can take out previous day low since that hasn't been swept yet. And I'm pretty bearish today on gold. News just got released. What news? So what? Am I not updated enough? What? We have news tomorrow.
Yeah, we have, I believe, core. What is it? Price something.
Oh.
You think you can get me an account? Yeah, sure. Just close your eyes and believe you have it. Believe I got you.
He asked so nicely. Why are you so mean?
Oh yeah, it's definitely not someone in my stream trying to troll me.
For Mario, what markets are you looking at today? Or which market are you looking at? Are you looking at ES or NQ both? Okay. Hi, Pertuja traders. Hello. Welcome to the stream. Did I have to figure out a way to add you in here without glitching my Mac? Because I have to figure some way out.
Like trying to get blood out of a rock. Not gonna happen. So I just opened my eyes. I still don't have one. Just try it a couple more times. If you blink really fast, you'll get more evals actually.
Romario Gold currently? Yeah, sure. Did you take any setups so far in Gold, Romario?
What's our manipulation of today? 12 to 16, 4 points. Yeah, that's it.
Hi, Krishna. Hello. Hi, everyone. Go ahead and give this live stream a like below.
Wait, I think it's working. See, you said I was being mean to him, and he said it's working. He's blinking really fast, and he got like 800 evals.
Oh my god, that's amazing. I'm gonna try that trick now. I caught that sell down last night. From which price? Can you tell me where you got the entry? And good job, you got a sell entry there. I only took one trade today this morning, which was a short long, like a long trade. A long trade, so I took that today from 667. Oh, from 4667. Okay, 4667. Let's go. That's all the way here. Wow, you would have been in 3, 4, 6, 7, all the way down here.
I'm tired.
This stream deserves views in thousands here. Okay, thank you guys. Krishna, are you in any trade setups today? I don't know why YouTube lags the stream. Like after I say it, I hear it again. I have to hear my voice again.
This is we're looking at manipulation central here. Just up and down and no levels touched. Absolutely, I'm not touching this. This is garbage. Have this 4-hour gap underneath, but again, I didn't want to see 12 a.m. for today this soon.
What you said, repeat? Oh, I just said I appreciate you guys watching the stream. That's what I said.
It may get tapped, yeah, but it's not the 12 a.m. Because the 12 a.m. is unmanipulated. You're gonna see us fly through this thing, which is why.
Krishna, are you in any trade setups? Are you in any trades?
Is it just going to midnight open? Wizard, but it's not. We normally between the 10 a.m. and 12 a.m. right? 12 a.m. is unmanipulated, meaning we're about to run that.
What do you think we might see today? So I feel like I'm pretty bearish on gold today, and I do think gold can sweep the previous day low because that hasn't been swept yet. So the next target would be that, but let's see how this 10 a.m. plays out. I want to wait for a 15-minute candle close, which is pretty much going pretty bullish there, but let's just see. No, I'm not in any trades. I'm in learning stage. I told you earlier. Okay. Okay. But how would you learn if you're not going to place any trades in your learning stage? Because that would mean you'll be learning forever. So yeah. Just try and how do I say this? Like test out a couple of traits, like forward test it if you're really in a learning stage, so that you know whether your strategy is actually working or not. Okay, 15-minute pretty much is going pretty bullish right now. I'm not really sure. Do we consider this as an FOG at all? Let's see.
Trying to stay consistent stage. It's like consistency. You just have to be patient enough to wait for stuff. This way. So block T in the recent 2 a.m. candle. In the recent 2 a.m.
Thank you, Krishna. I appreciate that.
If you're talking about this 4 hour, the order block in this case is this check. So we're reacting off like the right here, which could be considered like the CISD. This 4 hour. Start with this right now. This is a strong bottom. Strong bottom. So I don't really expect to select them all the way down. This, actually.
Wow, I typed in FVG and it just autocorrected into FIG. What?
4 hour fig.
15-minute.
4 hours of fig Newtons. Do you guys have fig Newtons over there? Do you know what that is?
What? What is that?
Fig Newtons. That's not figs.
Wigs?
Figs. F-I-G-S, figs. Not to be confused with the other letter in that word.
Oh my god, dude, I have absolutely no idea what you're talking about.
Correct me if I'm wrong. I believe it is. I don't want to. Well, now I have to actually look it up. It's obviously a fruit.
Huh? I don't.
It's a fig. You guys don't have fruits over there, huh? It's the sweet, soft fruit of the fig tree. It's a type of candy with. It's not the candy. It's a shortbread. It's like what's like the filling sweet fruit.
One.
Something confused. Photos and fig Newtons.
Dude, my mind's like all over the place at this point, so we're gonna need a minute. I'm looking it up on Google. Wait.
It's a shortbread cookie out, exterior shell, peel, solid, and then with filling. Okay. You're good. As a kid, you don't like them, but then you.
Oh, it's yeah. I know what it is. It's anjir in. I saw an image. Okay. Protruja said buy. What? What do you mean buy? Okay.
Yeah, just like black coffee. Just like black. Hey, you drink black coffee?
Sometimes yes, but I like sugary. Whenever I drink coffee. Whenever I drink coffee or absolutely anything, I want sugar in it. I cannot drink like just black coffee. I need sugar in it.
Yeah. So Julitha is 18, so she has a recess. We were talking about it. Black coffee is it's an acquired taste that you end up loving like as you get older. I didn't like black coffee. I took it 2-3 years ago. I think I was 23. Just black coffee.
What the hell? Really?
Drink black coffee.
Yeah.
Although I have a feeling that India is more of a tea kind of country since you guys have history with England. I'm wrong or right about that.
Okay, so there are two things. Like for example, today we drink tea, we get bored of it. Tomorrow we're doing coffee. It's not really like a I mean, yes, it's a massive thing. Chai is something that we do drink a lot, but I feel like it's simultaneously both. Tea is called chai, so.
What's the difference between chai tea and like, I don't know, like herbal grey tea?
What?
Right.
What?
Chai tea is like milky, maybe a little thick. Whereas like regular tea is just like, you know, you put like the tea bag in, but you guys call it the same thing.
It's the same thing, yes.
But like not the same thing. Chai tea is black tea. Yeah, isn't chai tea like normally like white and milky?
No. Okay, so I'm thinking of going short on gold if we, you know, tap back into this 15-minute FVG and target most likely this week low, and secondly the previous day low. Let's see.
What am I thinking of if it's not chai? If I ask, like, if you go to Starbucks and you get chai tea.
Yeah. No, I have never ordered chai from Starbucks. I only go there for like cappuccino or some other drink, but mostly never the chai. Sorry.
It's like milky texture. This looks milky. It's like no entry.
Guys, this would be an entry setup that I'm looking at. If we can validate this and show some signs of reversal, then I would consider a sell entry, mostly targeting this week low and then previous day low. Because we are in a bearish market structure so far, and if you look at the 5-minute trend, we are kind of making lower lows and lower highs. We have that break of structure, and then what I'm thinking is the same thing, something like this again, like creating a break of structure and breaking that week low, and then initially overall targeting to previous day low.
That's the one from my side at least. If you guys want to go trade gold, this channel, Tradex on YouTube. What's your perspective of trading gold?
Are you in any trades right now, or are you waiting for setup?
No, Q is just being a little twerp right now, chopping at the bottom, not doing anything.
10 a.m. was pretty bullish on the 15-minute and the 5-minute.
Well, setup. Switch to gold.
Go ahead.
What is the current ending for gold? MGC, B, C, G.
MGC.
Yeah. But what's your? They each have a letter at the end of it.
XAUUSD.
Forget you trade weird things. Looks like V.
Dude, XAUUSD.
100%. Okay. There's a letter attached to the end of this to let you know it's slow right now.
Yeah. It is moving kind of, no, not really that slow, but very mid-slow. We had a good momentum starting off at 10 a.m., but we're kind of reversing from the 0.5 level. Maybe back again with 10 a.m. tap, and then all the way to there, and then everyone go ahead and get this last one. What?
Potentially set up
like a tap in, like this?
But it taps in. It's coming down to you right now, although it is hovering above the discount.
True. What's your bias today on ES and NQ?
Well, I'd like to be short because of the 12 a.m. being unmitigated, but you know, when price wants to, what it's doing right now is insane. To be honest, I'm not sure if you've seen the indice, but I wanted us to tap into the order block C on the 4-hour. We ended up leaving New York high, London high, Asia high above. 10 a.m. opened. We had zero manipulation on the 10 a.m. Last night, 12 a.m. opened, zero manipulation on the 12 a.m., which I've just, you know, I've been screaming the whole time that it's going to get rammed because that's just what happens when there's no manipulation. And price hasn't like moved consistently. We just kind of chop up. So
Interesting. So probably like there's a lot of liquidity above for you to take a short trade. That would make no sense, right?
well, that's the thing. 12 a.m. confluence is a major confluence for shorts. Like, you do not want to see the 12 a.m. unmitigated like this and then trade away from it, because it's going to get ran. But just like you said, in all those sessions above and having the 10 a.m. not manipulated to the upside,
Yeah.
so our confluence is for long as well, and we're inside of a 4-hour gap right now.
Is like ES and NQ price action the same way, or ES already took out any high?
ES just chopped this morning at AMD decumulation to distribute to the downside, which also makes me nervous in terms of longs. But ES also has left London high above and third high. Swept out only New York low. It still has London low below, Asia low below, New York low from yesterday below. So I'm kind of like thankful because we're not doing anything right now. It's just the Q that swept out New York low. So I'm just looking at really just to do something.
I do want to see buyer's exhaustion when it comes to the entry level and fills in the 15-minute FVG, and then I will go ahead and put my sell limit. I feel like on all of my live streams, I'm eating something.
Do you know Frank Sinatra? Do you listen to Frank Sinatra?
Who? Who is
You know who Frank Sinatra is?
Nachos?
Yes. Nachos. Frank Sinatra. You know Frank Sinatra?
God, dude.
It's okay. I mean, you get a pass. Frank Sinatra might be like, he's like a staple.
American singer and conductor.
Wait, crazy. I went to Frank Sinatra's high school. What's the high school you went to?
Are you watching NAS2 or just gold? For now, Romario, I'm only looking at gold because I do have a setup planning, but I'm not looking at NASDAQ or like NQ or S&P. But Jake is, so we can take some pointers from him.
Yeah, we're gonna full port every direction until one of them plays out. Yeah, this is crazy.
Gold is now chopping. Like, it's just there, existing. But this is a good sign because if the market slowly comes to my entry, that means more, more accuracy that my trade has to go into TP.
My chat's saying that they also would like Frank Nachos.
Yeah, we should create a new nachos and call it Frank Nachos.
Frank Nachos.
Alrighty.
It's crazy.
Okay guys, we do have to see buyer's exhaustion for me to take this sell side setup. Let's see how the 15-minute FVG gets respected or we inverse it. But we do have an order block resting above, so more likely chances price will react from there. But let's see. That's like 4630. Here. For Mario, what are you talking about? My entry is 4632. How are you on the 1 minute?
I am on the 1 minute.
Okay, what if like it would so be bad if market just touched my FVG and just went back down without my entry getting triggered. That would be so bad.
That's my favorite kind of price action.
We just tapped into this 15-minute FVG, but let's see, my entry is like about like this 50%. How many of you on your live stream trade on gold? Drake?
What's up? I'm sorry, huh? What? Huh?
How many in your live stream trade on gold?
I don't know how many of you guys trade gold. How many of you guys do trade gold? Sorry, I'm not even paying attention to the market anymore because it's being a goofball.
Good night.
I get a lot of questions about it. They often ask me if I trade gold.
Price just tapped into the 15-minute FVG and it's reacting, but I want it to fill in at least 50% for my entry.
None of them responded, so I'm assuming they're ignoring you and me.
They're all busy trading. Hey Ronak, how are you? Ronak, have you placed any setups?
You said what?
No, the stream.
We're down further, just a sec. I mean, I know why we're going down, but can I really get a setup?
Ronak, I do have an entry set up over here, but if price reacts off this FVG and goes down without me, I would be very pissed. Let's see. I'm out of the market till 3rd. Okay. Oh my god, why? Why is gold reacting like that? You know, Jake, have you ever done this thing where, like, when you're in profits, you look away from the charts, so like it goes in your direction. When you look at it, no! Why? Why? Oh my god, no!
Okay, alright. For sure, brother. What are we doing today?
No.
I'm gonna eat. Sure. I don't trade after things like that.
Bro, I'm gonna be Nikki from Session now. No, 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 no. Don't do this. I thought we were having a nice setup. Oh my god. This 15-minute did get respected, but crap. My entry's like all the way up.
Yeah, it was Trump, bro. I just got this wave. Maybe that all detonated from within each water. Straight up hormones. Our enemies be notified that any ship or boat placing new mines will be immediately and systematically destroyed. Through Space Force, we are watching every square inch of the strait. Also, with Big Max and then already destroyed 3 other nuclear sites, no zero tolerance for policy mine placement, full force. Yeah, I knew it had to be it.
Appreciate that, Ronak. Thank you.
And he took out the 12 a.m. Exactly what I said. Brother, it's just like, what are we doing these days?
Oh my god, dude. This is crazy. My first CP would have been like 10 a.m. No, go ahead.
So many points did we miss out on here? Oh, only 300 points. Yeah, that's fine, dude.
Yeah, that's only 300 points.
What I get for top ticking and bottom ticking 2 sessions in a row, I get punished.
Guys, we do have to see buyers exhaustion here. We did kind of have like a lot of buyers come in, so it would be a little kind of dumb for me to go right sell in, so let's just wait for that extra confirmation. And then I'll be right back. 1 second.
That didn't tell me a lot, Jake. Don't feel so bad. Oh, yeah, that's... Yeah. I was so happy. I definitely don't want to trade myself.
I will be right back.
Maybe not big of a big deal.
Be right back.
Alright. Okay. Well, no, it's not that I don't like them. They're good, but they're like, nope, they're good. Or good. No, that sounds weird, but they are. You ever sat in the kitchen, like, after you get back, and you're just like, so blasted, you just pound fingers. It's kind of fire. I not think we just told 12 a.m. Like, brother, what are we doing? No, it's
Back.
Welcome back. Oh, hell. That's what it feels like anyway.
Oh my god. How many of you guys are in trades right now? Dude, we just got liquidated. 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 Jake, please full pot your account.
I got my fig Newton blown. I blew my fig Newton.
Dude, I feel like this 15-minute FVG would have been worse.
This is gonna go to further. The 12 a.m. is not getting tapped. 12 a.m. is ran group. I know that for a fact.
What the hell's going on with the market?
Market just shot somebody. You know somebody was involved, so they just got shot.
Whoever took a short, thinking 10 a.m. over here, they all just got liquidated.
So did gold shoot up?
It took out the 10 a.m. It took out 10 a.m. and then it just shoot up.
Yeah, I mean, they did the opposite. We shot down like 100 points.
Yes, Mario, that was crazy. I'm gonna see if we get some wigs over here for me to take a sell side setup, but as of now, buyers have stepped in, so let's see.
I did the shooting like that. This bro is upset with Hunger Games. You're never in a trade. Hey big guy. Did you know that trading is like 90% waiting, and if you're in a trade every second of your life, likely not making any money.
I feel like I always say this to a lot of people. I say that trading is the hardest way to make easy money.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I get a lot of people in my stream that like are very frustrated that I don't just take trades when candles move, which, you know, I understand from the perspective of someone who doesn't trade full time or maybe doesn't have, you know, a ton of market experience. But like people get frustrated that like, because I guess a lot of the other streamers on here always in trades, right? They'll just take anything for content. And I take the opposite approach where, you know, I would rather take the setups I would take in real life, which, you know, I am trading my accounts throughout stream, rather than just get burner accounts, just, you know, taking trades to take trades so that people can put W in the chat when they catch, you know, one copy trade that ends up working every now and again.
Ronak, I'm wearing my goggles now. Are you happy? Dude.
Like if you can tell me one setup that you found today, you're on the chart. Tell me like what your conferences were, why you entered, where's your entry, explain your trade today. I will count it to you and say, good job, sir.
Who said that?
No, I'm saying that to these guys.
Oh, okay.
And if you tell me like 1 minute IFVG, you're getting sent to the shadow room. Up to your trades, you make me more sane for my trades. It's like the spin in Inception. I know what you're talking about, but I also have no idea what you're talking about. The spin in Inception was like a way to tell what was fake in reality. Are you just saying like I'm like your you went to the market to tell you what's fake and what's not?
Okay. I don't think that 15-minute will inverse, but if it does, then we also have order blocks resting above, so price can react from there. Let's see how that plays out. Not in a trade yet, because I wanted to see buyer's exhaustion, and then we just... Yep, no buyer's exhaustion there.
Yeah, bro, I was just looking at this, and I got off. I went to the long this morning and broke even.
Broke even? Break?
That sounds reasonable.
Broke even or break even?
But you can say I broke even as well. You say I got break even or I broke even.
Really? Here we see like millions.
Oh, what's the form? How do you even set that up?
Custom timing.
I know, but I'm like, use support. Support a candle?
No.
I use the 3.5 second candle.
Good luck. Watch this 15-minute FVG get inversion. This trade is not valid anymore. Shit.
It's not anymore. You see it in the FYE. I looked for setups from 1 to 5 minute. Found it in the 4-minute ICT teaches it. Trying to buy the switch from 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 minutes.
Let's see if we get a tap in here to this bearish order block, and we see, look, what I wanted to see was buyer's exhaustion to take a sell side setup, but buyers are very, very, very active. Great.
So wicks like this, like large wicks like this, where I would consider this a data wick at this point. Not because we had news, but when Mr. Grump loses his mind on Truth Social and we create a wick like this is now a data wick, and data wicks often get taken. We do not usually just leave these. So still heavily short biased down to this.
No. Let's see if I do get like a tap in on the 5-minute OB for me to take a cell setup.
That's kind of what I thought would happen. 12 hours yesterday, got tapped, and we reacted strong enough. But I would never limit that. Which was the only choice in this case. Yeah, 50 points away. Yeah.
That was like a perfect setup that I had if only I had seen virus exhaustion. Damn.
And we're in this 4-hour gap. 10 a.m. hasn't manipulated. Like, there's just too much going on for me. It's going down, brother.
When was the last time you traded on gold?
Yesterday with you. I was like, I can't remember the last time. Oh no, that's not true. I took a win on gold like last month and a half-ish when he was really bad with it. But I needed to still trade. And I was like, alright, especially did the same. I took a win on gold. ICT and Lauren making me feel like a professional. Like quantum leaped. Happy about the my point beat. Thanks, dude. Okay, we're gonna go down and we're gonna leave without me. And I'm gonna like explode today. When I get frustrated like this, it's just time to turn the truck off. It's just so annoying.
Dude, there are times when I have perfect setups on gold that I just place out quickly, and then there are times like this where I just wait.
That's it's one of the most frustrating things is watching the market move like an insane amount, but not putting any valid setups. Especially like once I see, I normally how do I say this? For the last year and a half, my trading, like, I have not streamed. So now that I stream, it's like weird because, you know, like, I stay on streaming even after things happen. But after seeing a candle like that, I hop off. I don't trade anymore. It's not like the whole day screw you over it. All your plans kind of, you can just work around it, but I prefer not to work around it. Just move on to the next session because now I have a data wick below. I was concerned about 10 a.m. 12 a.m. is still unmanipulated. We have all those draws and liquidity above. It's like I have zero interest anymore. There's too much going on. Too much noise. I'm gonna leave before you explode. She said bye to you. Jules did.
Dude, literally how fast we reacted. We just got like a big bearish candle, and like how fast I reacted out of 10 a.m. It's crazy.
Jules said bye to you, Jules.
What?
Said bye to you. She's saying bye. She's leaving. She's hopping on the stream.
Wait, I'm not understanding. What are you saying?
She is saying goodbye to you. Like, she's thanking you for being here and saying goodbye because she's leaving stream. She has to go do something.
Oh, bye, Jules. Have an amazing day.
This guy.
You have a very weird way of explaining things.
I don't know how I can do that any more clear.
Now I get it. Okay. Bye, Jules. Have an amazing day. I'm gonna freaking sell here. I don't know. I want to take an H.
Gold stuff because I'm not gonna be trading with you. So doing stuff and I have no interest in it. Wow, gold's been up.
I don't know. Let's see. Virus exhaustion.
See if I can see something on your chart here.
YouTube's delayed, so you probably have to wait. Let's see. We did tap into this EMA, liquidated there.
Yeah, I have a feeling you're gonna go further down. You're inside an hourly gap. You still have Asia lows underneath. You saw those Asia lows below. Let's see, 30 minutes. White mirror resistance here. Guys, blocks sitting above.
I really wish like this EMA would have been more near closer to the OB, somewhat like this, on the 5-minute time frame. Potential sell on 5-minute. Yes, Romario, that's what I'm looking. Let's see if we can get a really nice accurate setup. I want to take an A+ up. This would be like crazy B- for me. It's just like, yeah. I mean, all the high time frames are kind of bearish. But let's see. Incoming? What do you mean, Romario? What do you mean incoming? If the market reacts again without me, literally, I'm gonna go crazy. Market might react off this EMA. I want this. Come on.
This is crazy.
Did you stream yesterday on H session?
No, I told you I bottom ticked it.
Everyone go ahead and give this live stream a like below.
Love her AI voice, bro. It's like Tony Stark, bro, and Lauren Stark.
Really?
So like Lauren.
Yes. I'm Lauren. But like Jarvis. What?
She's in denial that she has a British accent. I don't know why she's in denial of it. I don't know how that's even possible.
Dude. Oh, you got the text late. I was referring to sell. Lol. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we do have a sell potential over here because we do have a 15-minute OB as well as the 5-minute OBs resting on. So let's just see. If price reacts over here without me, I'm gonna go crazy. But if we get a little good entry setup, it's gonna be a B- trade from my side. But yeah, I don't get like why people say what. I don't get like why people say that I sound like Jarvis because Jarvis is male, right? Like,
They're saying that you sound. She's saying, I love her AI voice. It's like Tony Stark made Lauren sound human.
Oh, got you. Why do I sound AI then? Don't I? Okay, I get it.
Just relating it to my Lauren voice. We are Lauren. Yes, we us again. Us, Lauren.
Do your British accent.
Do your British accent. Yeah, market is cooked. Absolutely cooked.
We didn't leave any imbalances. Market just straight went up. With wicks, anyway. Okay, let's just see, guys. My stop. This is a 2-hour trade, and I'm gonna probably go break even with 1 hour itself. And this would be a setup I'm looking for. Let's see.
I would genuinely want you for sure.
Wow. Market's reacting without me.
You do, you don't stream a lot. Rose, stream eater. Usually mukbangs.
It's like I'm noticing that I do eat all the time when I have live streams or any meetings at any point. I have snacks, I have food, everything.
Sometimes I eat, we rate blueberries on my stream.
No more surprises, hopefully. Yeah, Mario, let's hopefully see that. Look at that. Gold reacting without us. Amazing, isn't it? Amazing, amazing. I didn't go short based on the MA because we did have OBs above, so I wanted that to tap in. But yeah, let's just, but this is good. If we see buyer's exhaustion like this slowly retracing back into our entry, that would be good. Any setups on NQ?
I'm gonna potentially take a short down to the data low. We'll see though. The queue's beginning to move up, so I want to see that we have okay, we just happened this one. I kind of want to see us react up this supply level again. So one back to the downside, then.
Interesting. Purchaser said sideways market, yeah. But let's see.
B minus setup here.
B minus.
Big minus. Edge at the king. Do you know where that's from?
What did you say?
When I make my move. Just the Harry Potter scene. I thought you were obsessed with Harry Potter. Chess game, see?
Don't remember. It's been like 3 years since I saw Harry Potter. This is good, guys. This is good. Let's just enter here and the market goes in our direction, and that's all we want. That's all. That's all I'm looking for. Fractured, did you do this or did you laugh? I'm not sure what your emoji meant here. I'm sure it's like, what is it about? Dude, I want this candle to close in bullish. Oh god. New one hiring 5. New one R 5R? What? Mario, what's up with you? New one hiring 5R. What are you saying? Mario, can you please elaborate on that? In 5 minutes, lol. Yeah, what's happening in 5 minutes? Dude, be more specific. You know, we just want a big bullish candle, enter, then boom, like this. New 1R in 5 minutes. Oh, okay. But we still haven't closed this candle, have we? More 4 minutes, 24 seconds. Are you gonna enter in NQ or yes?
NQ.
which time frame did you draw the rejection block?
It's on 1 minute, but it doesn't really make sense. I mean, it's inside a quarter block, which is what I'd like to see, but we're not discounting on the lag. It's moving down without me. I hesitated too long.
Dude, literally. This kind of price action playing out here would be just awesome. Wow. See, gold's also moving without me. How many people in your stream are in trades right now?
Okay. So, I grew up just watching the service.
Interesting.
Brother. It's moved down without me. Shop now. Yeah. Okay, I'm done. That is gonna call for me. I think it goes down or comes back up to retestment zone. Honestly, I would be more curious to see price sweep out the data wick before we continue heading up. I'm more short bias on this. We are inside of a 4-hour gap. We have 10 a.m. unmanipulated. 12 a.m. is supposed to be ran further than what it is now. We're not supposed to just be tapping it and shooting up off this because the 12 a.m. was unmitigated last night, meaning it is not a support level or a support zone. Other than that, we have so many draws on liquidity to the upside. New York, London, Asia. Nothing on the chart makes sense. And then, of course, we have Mr. Bottle the Grump blowing the chart today. Honestly, after all that, you know, I don't know if a friend of mine said that, like, this is not a day that I would trade after. So, yeah, when he starts blowing up the charts like this, I hop off. It just is what it is. And the charts tend to become a bit more volatile after moves like that. And being in the wrong place, wrong time in a trade can cost you severely. So it's better just to say, hey, it is what it is. Chalk it up. It's 11 a.m. already. I normally don't trade past 11 a.m. In New York session. Between 11 to like 1 o'clock, 1:30, we end up just chopping around. It's like lunchtime. And then 30-ish, we start picking volume back up. Oh, Trump is wide, low ad volume today. What do you mean low ad volume? We moved like 400 volts. What is bro talking about?
I think it's better to wait for the market to come to you than rather chase it.
Absolutely. Yeah, no, Trump, Grump said, he's claims about Iran. Obviously, everyone is very, that's a big topic, but after stuff like this, I mean, there's no reason we have red polar news tomorrow. I don't believe it's
for teacher, all the links are in the description box below, so you can check it out. We are seeing some buyer's exhaustion, which is a good sign for my sell entry.
Biggest move was 170 points. Well, if you take it from the top of the session down to the bottom of the session, we have 300 points. New York high down to New York low is 270 points.
if I do get into the sell side setup and we really play out, I might target all the way down to the previous stay low, which would be crazy. But my first TP obviously would be 1R, then weak low, and then finally close it with previous stay low. That is if my plan plays out. Any other setups that you're looking at?
Usually at this point, I'm pretty good on the charts. We're chopping on NQ. I think we're going to look further down. Further down towards the death low. We're going to afford. I mean, everything on NQ is just, it's like wonky. There's too many instances and draws to either side that I wouldn't be able to like truly pick a direction. Usually that just means chop and a decision. Market decisions like or my bank health.
Yeah. Have you watched the Doomsday new trailer?
Saw clips of it.
What do you think? What?
So, I don't get it. You saw the new Spider-Man movie?
Yeah.
I didn't really love it. Did you?
I mean, I don't love it as much as where, you know, we got 3 Spider-Mans in one movie. That was so interesting. But this one, okay-ish.
I don't how do I describe it? The visuals were stunning. The story made no sense. Absolutely no sense. And it was like, I honestly thought it was kind of bad acting. Really flat top. Zendaya was her role was just the story just didn't make sense. They're pretty old.
I think the reason for this Spider-Man show, or sorry, the movie, is because they want to, in Doomsday, obviously Spider-Man would have more powers, so people should know how he got that powers, obviously. Those who watch the movie.
I'm talking about the story, like, where the hell does Jean Grey come out of? Like, and she has like a random sister. The last time we saw Jean Grey was in the X-Men movies when Logan kills her.
Yeah. Oh my god, gold, wow. Oh my goodness, why is it reacting without me? I hate you.
My short is playing out, and I'm not in it.
Great.
Does she stream on TikTok? No, she's on YouTube. Tradex on YouTube. Leave it in. Let's see this logo right here. Let's see your perspective on gold.
So for me, when it comes to like the new movie, I just think that it was only meant to be shown in other, like nobody remembers Spider-Man, but we need to know how he got the powers and everything else. Maybe Jean Grey can also appear in Doomsday. I don't know.
Nobody remembers Spider-Man.
What? Huh?
You mean like because of Doctor Strange, not that like he's a bad character?
Oh yeah. What are you talking about?
Like, yeah, nobody remembers Spider-Man. Like, whatever.
No. In the movie, so nobody remembers him anymore. But he's got more powers now. So I think it was only meant for Doomsday to make more sense with this character. Do you know what?
I didn't understand the story, bro. Like the Punisher, I thought the scene between him and Zendaya, like didn't make sense. Like,
I think
She's like,
Uh-huh.
you wrote a letter about me, and we were in love. I don't like you. Like, bro, why would she react like that? Like, you genuinely didn't know anything, and like, Spider-Man picks you up and puts you in a random tank with the Punisher. What, like, the scene was so whack. There was like no emotional depth to it. I hated Deadpool vs. Wolverine. That was the worst movie I've ever seen. Don't ever mention that again. Perma ban for life. Mods, block that guy, send him to the dungeon. That was the worst movie of all time. The best movie of all time, conversely, is Logan. Logan was like, that's like one of my top threes. They turned emotional Wolverine into silly Deadpool. Like, what are we doing, dude?
Let's see. It's releasing on September, right? Doomsday?
Actually, I think December, not September.
When is Doomsday? I'm literally searching it up.
Yeah, the movie was just throwing random characters in the pot. I just don't understand that, dude. Like, the character, like Spider-Man, Wolverine, like these are emotional characters, right? They like parents die, they are responsible for it. Lists on them, and you start like making them silly. What are we talking about?
Sure.
I thought like the first three Spider-Mans did a good job with Tom Holland, did a decent job with like capturing the combination of like being a kid and being funny, like plus the emotional side. Like the last Spider-Man, the No Way Home, like that was obviously very emotional. Like, I think Tom did a great job in that movie, but like making it silly, I just don't get it. Not silly music or silly movie kind of guy.
I think this movie has like a lot of connections overall in general, like maybe, but dude, my gold trade was literally 1 point away from my entry, and then it's just continuing with that one.
He was just stopping.
That's right.
Buddy comedy with Deadpool and Wolverine, just product placement garbage. Yeah, absolutely, dude. I mean, it was so dumb. I just don't get why they would do that. I'm not a big Deadpool fan though, to begin with.
I don't think I watched Deadpool fully.
Just kind of, I don't know. I was the Grinch.
For me, on top of the list would be Batman, then Iron Man, and then the list goes on like that.
Not that, like, I like him, but I'm not that big.
It's cool.
Is your, actually, yeah, who's your top Batman? Is it Christian Bale or Robert Pattinson? Who are we looking at?
Obviously, the OG. Hello?
Sorry, I shook my head up for you. You can't see me.
Oh, I can't see it. Dude, I have to figure out a way to make it look. I had everything done, and then OBS crashed. Oh, I hate this now. There you go, Margay continuing with that is makes completely nice sense.
A lot of rejection on the downside here.
I don't think there's a re-entry. I just want the OB. 15.
A lot of rejection on the downside there. I'm agree with the double bottom.
On NQ?
Yeah.
I should do a giveaway maybe soon. The next stream, something. Giveaway.
some more giveaways.
True. Oh my god, dude. I don't think Prize will.
Her name is Talitha. You can find her in Lauren Discord at Talitha. You can find her on YouTube with at Tradex. Or you can find her in the Fund Your Edge Discord as one of the affiliates. Free funded accounts on Jake eventually.
We do have like BOGO offers, so if you buy one account, you get one for free, so you can check that out.
That's true. You use code Tradex, buy one, get one free.
Or Lauren.
Look at you being all nice. Hey, it was like I held the door open for you, and then you made me walk through it.
Yeah, guys, don't use code Lauren, use code Tradex. Do you think Goldie could retest? Maybe there's a possibility, Romario, but if we get like a strong rejection candle, then probably not. But if we can hit the slowly like coming back, retesting the EMA, could be a possibility that we do tap into this OB and then we can target the targets that we have. So yeah, I would say it's still 50-50 for now. I'm not really 70% sure, but 50% sure that we can retrace based on the current momentum that's going on.
It's absolutely a great deal. If you haven't picked them up, you absolutely should. 100% you should. It's buy one, get one free. Whatever eval size you buy, you get a free one. It's the equivalent of getting 150% off. Like, why would you not do that? The accounts are great. Fund Your Own Trades at TradeC. If you already use TradingView, you'll love TradeC.
Romario, are you in a trade? Or are you waiting for the exact setup as mine? I like the I like the new name Romario, Goldie. We'll call Gold now Goldie. What's Goldie doing? What do you think, Jake? The name Goldie for gold?
Wow, yeah.
Okay.
Is TradeC copy trading? TradeC does have copy trading, but only for rhythmic accounts. But when Lauren jumps out, you can copy trade all your accounts on any given.
Super cool. Guys, I actually saw the insider view of Lauren with copy trading, and it is crazy good. And I'm not LARPing here because it's really that good, and once it launches, you guys should definitely check out. I think I would only use Lauren mostly for copy trading rather than the main features, but copy trading is crazy good inside Lauren.
Rose LARPing.
Yeah, it's good. Waiting currently. Romario, yeah, I think it's a good choice. We should wait because Prize does not know where it wants to go, but let's just see. I am bearish tip for today, and the 5-minute structure is also bearish. So let's just see.
Is Lauren free? Unfortunately not. She's a main product, but she's not even out yet. True Adam, appreciate you. Sorry, that was the wrong one. Oh, that's the wrong one too. Okay. Which number now? Right now, oh, there you go.
I got swept earlier. I still got hit after I moved it. Oh, where did you enter, Mario? What was your entry?
Yes, Florida's subscription. Slash will be. She's pretty cheap though. She's gonna be cheaper than everything that you see on the market. So it's copy traders, automatic journals. So check out the website Thorn.app, which is getting modeling pretty soon. Okay. Someone here who's yelling at me. My phone code. Can't put that much if you notice this. I'm not too big of a creator. Hopefully one day though. Playlist can be nice to us.
After the bullish candle close, where your line is? Here? The yellow line? Are you talking about this line? 4616? You took a sell there. And you got liquidated. Are you saying that? Or where was your entry at? my god, gold is taking forever to get into my entry area. Everyone go ahead and like the live stream and let me know if you guys are in any setups. So Mario, you said that you took a trade over here and then you got liquidated, unfortunately, here. I was in buy. What? It doesn't, okay, wait. Where was your entry exactly, Mario? So this yellow line was your entry. If you took a buy trade, you should be in profits right now. I think he full ported it.
It's the only way to trade. He's just showing the market that he's not scared. He can't back down the market.
Okay. Dude, if you play music, I'm gonna get copyrighted on YouTube.
You said what?
If you play music, I'm gonna get copyrighted on YouTube.
Did you hear that?
I heard that.
How did you hear that?
With my ears.
Okay. Yeah, that's a me kind of response. You're not supposed to say like that. But how did you can't hear can you hear it through my headphones?
I don't know, I heard the music anyway. Well, I moved the SL to early trailing. What? Right, lol. I moved SL to early trailing. So
Intuition. Sorry, you go talk.
Yeah. So yeah, Romario, I think for now it's okay. Was it SL swept or break even? Because you did trail it. I was so mad. Of course. Sometimes when market moves in one direction, it likely comes back down, taking on all the SLs and goes in that direction. So probably placing your SL in an accurate area would be a good choice for next time. Yeah, you're saying something, Jake? Jay.
Sorry, I had to mute myself so I could get through this little monologue here.
Oh.
This chop is not worth. It's not worth trading. The best trades are the ones that you wait a long time for. You wait for them. I mean, not always, but like you wait for the correct setup. You wait for conditions to meet what you want. Don't treat this like a slot machine. So many people, including me, when I first started, you treat this as a boredom cure, right? You treat this as a place to get some dopamine off, so that way you can. The thought of making money is always going to be more fun than actually making money. Actually making money is completely boring. Thanks for this and invest. This is the hardest way to make easy money. And the hardest part is that you have to sit here and just watch Bryce do nothing. Look at that one guy that came in earlier. Bro, why are you just sitting here and you don't take any trades? Because there's nothing here, brother. The hardest part about taking these trades is they're not fun. They're not like, it's not what you see online. It's not, we're just slamming trades back and forth. Trading is a boring, slow process, and there's no point to rush it. It is what it is. And there's no such thing as you become a millionaire tonight or tomorrow in a week. This is a slow, boring process, and it's the easiest money you're ever gonna make. But it is not a dopamine chase.
True.
I think that's probably the hardest part, is that it's just too fun to click the buy and sell button, and you can't visualize, the actual risk that you're putting yourself at when it's, your real money on the line here, because you're just looking at colors on a screen.
True. Romario said true.
So,
let's see. Gold is. Oh wait, I'm in the trade. The way that buyers pushed. Yeah, I'm in a trade. The way that buyers pushed is crazy. Hopefully the OBs get respected. If not, I already did make a profit today this morning, so I'm still gonna end up in green. But we'll have to see how this trade turns out.
strat? What is your stop loss?
So wait 1 second. So on MGC, that would be.
Did you grow up the CE of this 5 minute?
Sorry, what?
Assumptions.
Gold's pushing high. On MGC would be, I entered at 4697.
You trade people in front of your consistency. If you're looking for a course, I don't sell a course. I teach how to trade every single day online for 100% free. Whether it's New York session or it's a session online, but every single day. You can join the Discord, it's 100% free. Everything I use for free, other than which is the copy trader and automatic trading for all that info. But if you're looking for an actual course, hey, go check out Tradex on YouTube. That's Julia who's on stream. She has an actual dedicated course that you can apply for. Do you do one-to-one mentorships?
I do want, mostly mentorship, yes.
Okay. One-to-one mentorships with Julia. She's extremely talented in the markets here. Comes from a finance family background. So if that's something you're interested in, go hop over to Tradex. Look her up on YouTube.
Thank you for the CTA.
Quick plug. I need that soundboard.
Guys, should I keep the magnet tool near my TP? I actually made.
It's on your chart.
No, this is a funny thing actually. So basically, on the first stream that I did, where I took a trade, I like, on a funny way, I added the magnets, and people liked it. People loved it actually. It went in our direction more so. So I told all my streams viewers that every single time I take a trade, I'll be adding a magnet. Let's see. Let's make it.
Eye on the chart. This is a custom indicator that I built, so it does it all for me. But there's many indicators out there you can look up.
Our custom indicator.
Lauren indicator.
Lauren built it.
She did build it.
Romario, magnet strategy is peak. Yes, Romario. Let's see how a magnet works right now. Everyone go ahead and hit that like button, guys. We are so in a trade right now, and do keep in mind that if it goes and hits CSL, no worries, because I already took a trade this morning which was full TP, and I'm still in grain, which I would end up in still grain. So let's just see. So my first TP obviously would be 1:1. We get that. We let the trade run risk-free. So let's just see. Hopefully the OBs get respected, because this is like a solid B- setup that I just took. Anyway, what Jake?
Sorry, so I'll do that to you because I'm trying to look at the market. Can't seem to get it solo. Yeah, I mean, trading is, I'm not sure how long you've been trading, but trading is not like you just look at the chart and figure out where it wants to go. That's just not how trading works. You have to stack probabilities and confluences. We're playing a game of probability. Obviously, no one here controls the market. No one here is driving a candle like it's a NASCAR. Chart moves without you, without any influence from you, and you don't move the market. So the best you can do with trading actually is it's a combination of stacking probabilities for price to go in the direction that you favor. And so, you know, just by like looking at the charts or studying the charts, if you don't have like a proven back-tested strategy that one has been proven to be profitable for you over a decent sample size, and then two, you don't have the discipline built and the reps built to only take that setup and to not tilt or you know, FOMO into another trade. It doesn't matter how profitable your strategy is. You're taking things that aren't your strategy, therefore that number or score is not going to reflect your strategy, right? You'll always be chasing something else other than it. So, you know, Julia said it, and I'm going to say it again and again, because it's one of the most important things, is that this is the hardest way to make easy money, and the hard part is you. Staying true to your strategy and finding the same thing every day, regardless of how insane price is moving, regardless of how much you want to get in or whatever you see on social media, it's hard because you're fighting you. Jason. So trading is supposed to be boring. Are you just staring at the charts all day? So I think that's a really good point because the answer is yes, no to that. Are you staring at the charts a lot? Yes, you're staring at the charts a lot, especially if you're a new trader. Your main goal should be to get as good at reading price action as you can possibly be. But the caveat to this is, if you stare at the charts all day long, you know what's going to happen to you? You're going to start seeing things. You're going to start FOMOing to trades. It just is human nature. You can't stop yourself. It's like sitting at the casino all day long. You think you're going to sit at the casino and you're not going to want to hit a slot machine? It's literally built for your dopamine receptors to be in love with it. So the best thing you can do for yourself is, yes, obviously trade, reprice action, do the most you can to further yourself in your own education of the charts, but do not fall into the trap of, I need to stare at the charts all day long. You're fresh for about 2 hours, in my opinion. You're fresh for about 2 hours on the chart. Look at the chart, get your higher time frame bias, but do not sit here like it's a casino and watch price move up and down all day, because your eyes are going to start seeing things. And if you don't already know, price moves in a pattern known as AMD, power of three, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, and they happen all day long on all different time frames, which means most of the day, or some of the day, at least 1/3 of the day, is going to be accumulation, meaning price is not going to have a direction. And if you enter within a choppy range, doesn't matter how good your setup is, you're going to get choppy, because the whole point of it is to build liquidity by stopping everyone out on both sides. So again, my whole point to this would be that learn as much as you can, but this should not be your life. This should not be addicting. You need to have something outside of this, and I often say, trading is a great way to make money, but it's also a volatile source of income, and you should have, if you're really planning on doing this long term, have other sources, other streams of income. Do not rely on trading to fund your life.
Well said.
What I want to learn, just struggling. I'm trying to find rules and how to see them. Those with friends here and there. I only have just $20. I don't want too much gap. Well, if you're looking for one-on-one mentorship, you got Juliet over here at Tradex. Honestly, very much can vouch for her. She's very knowledgeable in the markets.
Romario said, dropping gems. Appreciate that, Romario. Jake knows what he's talking about. Well. Let's just see how the trade plays out. Honestly, if it hits my SL, I do not even give a shit, because this is still a B+, B-, I would say. But I have entered based on like a couple of confluences, but let's just see how it goes and plays out.
By the way, I'm not like a wizard or anything. It's not like I just have all the sauce in the market. This comes from an extraordinary loss on my own side, over $20,000 when I first started trading. You don't have to lose that much. Everyone says, "Oh, it's just tuition in the market." One of the things that I think is extremely important as well is that, everyone likes to say, "Just don't quit." Unfortunately, in this game, not quitting doesn't get you anywhere. You actually have to make the moves and decisions to get better, and it needs to be statistical. You need to track it. If you're not getting better, you're just going to be not quitting but losing more. And I think you should quit, but make sure that you're making statistical progress in your own trading career, other than, if risk management is your issue, and you keep repeating that mistake, no matter how well you do at trading, if your risk management is not under control, there's going to be leaks. You're going to be losing money. Oh, DJen in the building! What's up, DJen? Yo, DJen too.
Hello, DJen. Basically, if we get a close below this EMA and we close in a bearish candle, more likely chances we hit our first TP. So let's just see.
DJen, I saw the last part of your stream there. Nice long road. On the bottom of the double bottom, before it was even a double bottom. Don't even know how bro saw that. I did notice bro entered at price of 200, so I know bro's playing the in between the numbers strategy.
Everyone, go ahead and give this live stream a like below. Dude.
I just want to get to the point that the fundamentals click and know what I want to see beforehand. It's just repetition, man. It's not like it's like you become Doctor Strange here and see the future. It's just repetition of looking for the same things every day. Just like if you go to the gym every day, right? If you're brand new, you're gonna look terrible in your form your first day, but on your 6th month of going to the gym, your form is going to look good if you practice your form. It's the same thing as anything else. It's just repetition of doing the right things. It's hard. I'd say this is one of the hardest things to do because there's really no one that is accountable for you but you in this game. Often, you're alone in your house, you don't tell anybody, you lose as much money as you can possibly lose, and no one has to know about it. So you really have to be your own accountability factor. I backtest my strat, but I just get cocky and size in. It's not bad, but it's risk management that you need to keep under control. If you're gonna size in, there's no. Honestly, it's like great idea to size in. You don't want to over leverage, but if you're leveraging heavy when you have your risk controlled.
Sure.
What are you recommending to kill Chris here, who is asking about the mentorship? He wants to know a focused, simple strategy that he can run on demo. What would be a simple strategy you would give him to start with?
I think the simplest strategy itself is market structure. Just trade with the trend, not against it. It's like that quote, trend is your friend until it breaks. So if it's bearish and you're looking for bullish setups, more likely chances that your SL gets hit because obviously trend is in the other opposite direction of your bias. But the simplest strategy is that we already know it. Price action, market structure, following the trend, and trading with it. So just backtest it and also forward test it for a couple of times so that you know that this actually works. And then identify a good risk management and then just go ahead and take it. Okay, 15-minute OB just got disrespected there. It's okay.
Wow, gold is moving. What?
Yep, pretty. Let's see.
If I had to give you a simple strategy, I would say the same thing. I mean, even if you don't have like the best strategy, the most accurate strategy, higher time frame bias, which is essentially the same thing as market structure, is probably the most important that you can learn. And then, the saying that you just gave, the trend is your friend. The trend is your friend. So following the trend, how do you know when to jump in? Is there a level to see and touch? Well, there's lots of levels. So, the market, I'm sure that you're fairly new to trading, which is why you have these questions. But essentially, I like to think of the market as a pie. It's a big pie. You can call it a pizza pie, you can call it an actual pie, whatever you want. What do we know about pies? There's slices, right? Everyone gets a slice. So in the market, everyone trades a different strategy or a different concept, but we're all looking at the same thing, right? We're all looking at the same candles. And so you're looking for your slice of the pie. That's what it is. And I think a lot of people get mixed up with trying to take the whole pie. They want the whole move. They want whatever it is instead of looking for your small, oh my God, price is going insane.
Yep, I got out.
Everyone wants a large slice of the pie when you should be just looking for your slice of the pie. So it doesn't matter what it is that you follow, but there's a lot of different levels, right? You use EMA, you can use SMA, you can use VWAP, you can use key opens, you can use whatever it is you're looking for, but you need to stick to one thing. There's a million strategies online, and they all work. They only work in context. Context is what gives you your edge, and context is essentially stacking your probabilities, which means you stack your higher time frame bias with whatever your market structure is, whether it's your order blocks or your rejection blocks, your key opens, what you call ICT. I think it's ECL, support resistance, supply and demand. There's so many different ways to go, but you have to know one. I'd say before you start thinking about a strategy, concept. There's concepts online everywhere you go. Concept. Learn the concept. terminology within it, and then look for or learn a strategy within the concept. And then you'll eventually build on those concepts as you continue trading. But don't try and swallow the whole ocean. You'll drown.
Sure. I think again, you have to kind of experience it while you're taking trades. You cannot just know that this strategy will work. You cannot just know that this will give me 100% win rate. I think about 60%, if you can get about 60% win rate within a week, I think it would be a pretty cool strategy to forward test it on. But you cannot know it unless you actually take trades with that setup itself. So I think I agree with what Jake said there. But just like experience it on your own. Just watching a video and thinking that it would work is kind of BS. So you have to actually take trades based on that setup and actually know that it works for you.
Even more importantly, I think something that you're like lightly tapping on, which I heard this the other day and I thought it was super important, is that testing is important, right? You want to make sure that your strategy works, but Joseph keeps like highlighting on this, that actually taking your trades in the market is extremely important. It's extremely important to forward test, because back testing, you're testing a different version of yourself. You're testing a version of yourself that's not worried about risk, that understands it's not real. The edge doesn't only just come in your strategy, it comes in the way that you execute your own performance within the market. And if you don't have the repetition built up to perform in the moment, I'm not gonna say like you're gonna fail or anything, but you're going to have a harder time in the market. So you need to build up the repetition. Just call it trading, just like you would trade for anything. I'm using trading right and put a short and long run to see if I do right.
What are you doing?
I think maybe you mean the long and short tool.
Oh yeah. Are you asking me a question?
Reading the comment, I'm just trying to read it over. It's a long and short graph. It's a long and short tool.
Positions, yeah, sure.
For life, making money and losing money a lot, so you're not worried about losing. The dangerous place to be. Okay? I started with a very healthy buffer when I first started trading. I thought the same thing. I ended up losing way more. I thought I would lose. And you don't want to get to the place where like you lose a ton in the beginning and then you have little to work with when you're actually good. That's not where you want to be. And there's no reason to lose money. Losing money doesn't make you profitable. It just scars you. I think that's probably the most accurate thing I can say. It doesn't make you better. It just kind of scars you. And it makes you worse, because you're going to be worried about how much money that you've lost.
Yeah, I think at the end of the day, we're only going to get better. So yeah, if you lose on your losing streak, you're only going to get better unless you keep repeating the same mistakes that you are repeating.
When I can prove to myself over a year time span that I'll try real money. I mean, it's a long time, but obviously the longer you give it, when you put in real money, you'll be far more prepared. I'm so tilted, made 10K, lost 14. I really wish I got a Bradford. It's probably one of the greatest lessons you can learn as well, is that if you make money, go ahead and hop off for me. It's that computer now.
For Mario, good job. Like he said, we live and we learn. So I think we learn something new every single day. And it's kind of true that the real experience comes from the market itself, and you have to be sitting down and looking for A+ setups and taking some trades to actually experience that. And it is okay. People always lose money, even professionals lose money. But this doesn't mean you keep repeating the same mistakes that actually led you to lose that money. Just improve every single time and just get better every single trade by trade. And yeah, today, for example, I took a win this morning and I took a sell this right now. But it doesn't mean that I didn't learn from this well, obviously I took a B minus setup, which kind of got me here, but it would have been great if we went to TP. But what did I learn from this? Like Mario said, every loss is a lesson that needs to be learned. So I think making sure that next time, if I have more confidence, is placing the trade. So like I said, experience comes from charts itself, and you have to be willing to learn it.
You want to be a good loser. If you're not a good loser, you're going to lose your mind in this game.
Exactly.
A sign of, the human brain is designed to not like losing, but losing in this game is not a sign of like failing. You are meant to lose. You do not have no one in the world has 100% win rate. Nobody. And if you can't be a good loser and you can't accept days that are red, oh my God, you're in for a rude awakening. And you gotta think more long term. Losing day means nothing when you're green the whole month.
Fact.
You don't let yourself be green the rest of the month because you take a losing day or a losing trade too seriously. You're never gonna see the long term.
Green.
Yes, the long-term green, the long-term money. You as Scrooge McDuck in a vault full of coins, throwing them into the air. If I lose, it's minimal, not a lot. Then aim for more green days, not red and learn. Risk management. Yes, risk management is the most important. People ask me all the time what's the most important thing. I say risk management. You can't lose money. You can't lose money. You're not going to be losing money at a rate that either exceeds how much you make money or doesn't allow you to stay afloat. One of my favorite lines is, it's not about how much you can make, it's about how little you can lose. Morning is so addicting, I need to stop. Yeah, bro. Go ahead and shut that computer down, brother. That's done. You're done.
Yeah, I think the only problem is if you have a habit of revenge trading, then your losses obviously are going to be bigger numbers than how much you make. Because I see a lot of people that make $300 a trade but lose $1,000 on one of their SLs. So it's like your risk management, if it's like crap, then probably you will breach your account or you will lose your capital. So just not trying to revenge trade and setting yourself a limit would be a great deal. For example, right now, I'm not going to be placing any more trades out of revenge trading to recover the loss. I just would wait maybe until tomorrow if I find a new setup. But it's like if you have a habit of revenge trading, you will obviously lose more, and the likely chances of you seeing a green month would be forever. So just having that patience to take the next trade with logic is much more better rather than chasing the market and losing more numbers.
If you're risk reward, which is what you say, your risk reward, if you risk, remember the reverse position button? Yeah, no, go ahead and delete that button, buddy. Get rid of that. That's done. But yeah, if your risk to reward makes sense, if your reward is always bigger than your risk, taking a loss is nothing. Let's say your risk reward is a 1 to 3, a 1 to 5. You lose 1/5 of what you're going to make on your next trade when it hits, and you're going to be in profit and recover your losses. There's no reason to revenge trade when your next setup is going to put you in profit.
Sure.
And really, in my opinion, the only reason you're going to be so upset about a loss is if you didn't manage your risk right. If you lost more than you wanted to. You should always, when you enter a trade, you should always know what you're risking before the trade has begun. So that way you accept the loss when it happens and you're not extremely upset when it gets hit.
The way that my mindset works is that whenever I enter, I know like if I lose this much amount. So I'm fixed, like if I can lose $300 on a single trade, I have to. Because a lot of people enter a trade just to like, they have this like perspective like it's gonna go to TP, and it doesn't go to TP and hits your SL, and everyone's like pissed off. But I think if you already set your mind like it's okay if it hits my SL, and that's why we set SL and TP for them to get hit. So I think just before entering a trade, just imagine that trade actually getting hit by SL so that you don't have more emotionally attached to that particular trade. So before you enter a trade, just always remember that more likely chances of going that trade to a sell is going to happen. So just imagine that if it does, you're not going to emotionally get attached to it.
We'll let the goat for real. Follow her on YouTube. Follow her in the Discord.
Who said that?
Jay.
Jay, thank you.
Toasted.
And you know what, like other than trading, whenever I make losses or upload reels that I may just like I lost this much, that gets more views than whenever I upload my profit ones. That's like crazy. People like when I lose. Literally, I do think that this live stream would get more views because my trade got hit by a sell than a trade that actually fully hit TP. So it's like more views for the losing trades there.
I mean, I think just like anything else, you know, it's addicting, and it's addicting to watch other people, you know, go through the highs and lows.
Yeah.
Watching a trade play out. Again, like, making money is a boring process. The best businesses are boring businesses. Car washes, laundromats, nail salons. Boring businesses that get repeatable business. It's the same thing with trading, where, like, if you're shooting for the moon every day, I'm going to guarantee you're likely not a profitable trader. Small, consistent wins. And just anything with consistency. If you can replicate, if you're shooting for the moon every day and you're consistent, either you're trading on a chart that I don't have, or you might be a wizard. Small, consistent wins. Money is boring. Good money is boring.
So you have to be following a boring setup every single day that actually makes you money, rather than chasing the hype and losing it all.
Wizard Harry. Yes, this is. I think she might be from Harry Potter.
I might be Hermione. Hermione.
I make my move. I check the king. Okay, we like barely, we came up to the 10 a.m., missed it by 3 points, and then dumped right back down. How good? That's my problem for me. If I'm not making 1K per trade, it just feels like failure. Yeah, see, so that's like kind of insane. I want you to think about this real quick. I don't know who you are, Dan. When John, you are going to know how old you are. But brother, if I put $100 bill in front of your face, you're gonna float. Like, you ever see a cartoon where you float towards the pie, the scent of the pie through a windowsill? It's you. If I have a $100 bill waiting for you in front of your face, you take that out of my hand immediately. So why is it not the same on the chart? Why does $100 not feel the same on the chart? There's really 2 reasons for me. 1, greed, and then 2, social media has skewed your view. You're on social media and you're watching people take these trades with, you know, oh, I mean, here's how I made 8K on the market today. It doesn't exist. It doesn't. I'm sure that you're trading on a prop firm. And if you're trading on a prop firm, and likely you're trading a 50K, you have a $2,000 account, not a $50,000 account. If you think that you're going to be making 50% of your account in a day, like often, go ahead and close your eyes and go to bed for the next month. You're done here.
Yeah, I think that you shouldn't basically, like, every single time you place a trade, likely target key levels rather than a specific number that you want to hit. For example, if you make 300, 200, 500, 100, they all compound. At the end of the day, you would still make 1K at the end of the day, but not really on a single trade. If you target a bigger number, your target would be like all the way down or up somewhere at some random area that price will likely not reach. So targeting your SL or even your TP at key levels would have more chances of it getting hit. So if you just make small wins over time, at the end of the day, it would still be 1K if you make more accurate setups. So I feel like don't really target a specific number whenever you're taking a trade. Target specific key levels so you can get out.
Absolutely. The structure has to make sense. Just like a stop loss. You don't just place a stop loss anymore. You place a stop loss at a protected higher low that price, if it comes to, invalidates the setup or trade idea. Same thing with TP. If you're not taking TP at a structure that makes sense to TP at, and you're not placing break even where it makes sense to place break even, you're not going to be making money. You're just taking unnecessary risk. It's part of the risk management.
True.
$500 a day, which is insane by the way, is $10K in a month.
Yeah.
Making $1,000 a day, you're trying to make $20K months as a new trader? Yeah. But for a small account, how much do you need to start and what chart should you trade in? Well, I don't know what you mean by what chart. I assume you mean by like what asset or what equity. But you can pick whatever one you want. They move all relatively the same. And you can trade all of them if you want. I'm specifically a MNQ trader. Julitha trades Forex, crypto, and gold predominantly. But how much do you need for a small account? You can start as little as you want. It's not too much of a limit. I would say probably $200 is, if you wanted to be on the like low end, $200 is not an insanely low amount, but it's, you do have to be careful with it. If you're trading a live account, what would you say? You're more on the live account side. What do you risk per trade? 1%, 2%?
2% mostly.
2% of the total balance?
Yes.
Obviously, prop firm gives you a little bit more leverage. You only pay for what you put into, buying one. But at the same time, you shouldn't just look at that and be like, oh yeah, it's only this much, because you're gonna fall into the trap of just consistently paying for 8,000 plus. I just started sizing heavy 4 middies. All right, Jay, are you on a prop firm or are you on a live account? Because if you're on a live account,
He's on a prop firm, definitely.
I have to go run down the street.
Like, what account size is he? Like 50K, 100K?
What are you trading? Get him some milk. No, put that guy in a psych ward. We gotta lock him up. We're gonna look like the scene from what's that from The Odyssey, when they tie Matt Damon to the pole. Put the computer in front of it. Don't let him touch it.
Fun fact, I haven't watched that movie.
Is it possible to run same trades on multiple accounts? Absolutely. Not on a live account. That wouldn't really make sense. I mean, you have a live account, you pretty much just trade a live account.
Yeah.
But in terms of prop firms, yes, copy traders exist. I built a copy trader. It's Lauren. But most charts also come with them. Like TradeC comes with them. TradeAway comes with it. But the difference is the copy trader allows you to copy trade across all rails, including Rhythmic, Top Step, and Tradeaway. Whereas if you use Tradeaway or TradeC, those are specific to either Rhythmic or the indicator rail. I answered my question about the profit question, and it's concerning me. I can't believe you heard my music. I don't know how you heard my music.
I don't know, I heard it.
It's over multiple funded, it's not all at once. Okay. I'm thankful that it's not a live account.
Dude, I don't think anyone in the right world would like in live account there's a different kind of anxiety when you place a trade because it's obviously live. And when it comes to prop firms, it's like you do pay for it, but you don't really have that much fear because obviously the numbers aren't yours. But when it comes to live, there's a different kind of emotions that play around with the accounts. So having like that fixed mindset, like, hey, if I place this trade, it is completely fine if it comes and hits my SL because I'm prepared to take that loss. If you take that trade imagining like it's gonna hit full TP and it goes completely opposite to your direction, it completely fluctuates your entire emotions when it comes to the next trade. So then you revenge trade and then you blow your accounts. So always like have that fixed mindset. Like if my SL gets hit, fine, completely fine. But again, there's a difference between platform accounts and trading live accounts, but trading it the same way could be useful if you really want to win.
Jen, you're a different kind of animal, brother. You don't fit in this category. Bro said he copy trades his live accounts.
Okay, live account, I'm trying it.
Jen is a different kind of beast here. That'll send you to the ER. Absolutely. Well, if you guys have never traded a live account, you don't know the lightning in your bones.
Mario, did you get into any setups?
Trading a live account make you feel like you think you get dopamine from trading a prop firm? Yeah. It's like doing crack. Buying 5 evals, use code Lauren on all your favorite props. Except for Lucid. If you're going to use Lucid, use code SHIFT.
Swift or Shift?
Shift. That's DGen's code. DGen landed Lucid.
Nice.
It's like crazy news. I don't think, do you know the importance of landing Lucid?
I know.
You know? Yeah, dude. Lucid's a crazy bull.
True.
Anyway, go follow DGen. Bro's taking wins every single day for no reason. We might have to lock him up. We might have to not let him touch the charts anymore. I think Bro might control the charts. Pull up the YouTube real quick. Guys, go follow Joe at the Tradex. She goes live every morning as well. She is the chart. DGen might be the chart, dude.
What?
I think DGen is the chart. DGen might be MNQ.
Does DGen also trade on gold?
I think so. I think I've seen him trade gold a couple times. Is that right? No, yeah, I've definitely seen him trade gold. We'd still like to target this data, like down below. I really don't trade this late, but
let's see what tomorrow comes out with. Tomorrow we have news at 6 p.m. my time, so that would be 9 a.m. there for you.
what is it?
News tomorrow.
News tomorrow would be probably 8:30 in the morning is when it comes out, but I don't know. I haven't checked news. Let me check.
I think, yeah, 8:45, 8:15, something like that for you. But let's see.
We got 4 PC, 8:30. News typically comes at 8:30 for, what the hell is it called? For New York, Eastern Standard Time.
So we have news on Wednesday and on Friday, so let's just see. Tomorrow we might expect some momentum before the news or maybe after it. Hi Matthew, he said hi from TikTok.
Nice. I think that's Kill Crazed.
Hello Matthew, how are you?
Two 15s. We got a nice 15-minute order block touched up here. And it's 10 a.m. I'd like to short this down to that data wick low.
Oh my. Yes, lol. What? Guys, go ahead and give this live stream a like below. Does TikTok have that? Like feature on live streams?
I think I like live, but I don't really care about all that.
And I'm good. How's your day going? Yeah, it's so far so good. Not gonna lie. I'm still in green today, so I'm pretty happy about that. And let's just see if we find any good A+ setup, which I'll be only looking for. So let's see. Jake, how is your day so far?
How's my day? Did you know that we've had the same day?
Yeah. I'm like gonna literally step off of the charts and try and see if we can get a really nice. Dude, like we were supposed to sweep the previous day low on gold, and unfortunately, price just turns out that it wants to go up.
Jackson Hole starts Thursday. Price action will be daring. Yes, I know, dude. Of course, speaking of Jackson Hole on Friday, definitely going to be a sloppier week because of that.
Matthew, thank you. Matthew here is marking you, Jake. Did you know we had the same day?
We did have the same day.
I appreciate that, Matthew, for the support.
It's a day so far.
I love it when people bully you, literally.
I need to be restrained. The urge to report is so violent. Yeah, brother, we need to put you down. You're done here.
Ask Lauren to lock him up.
Yeah, I might have to, dude. You're like a dog with rabies. Like, your timing is done. I've actually not even heard that. The urge to full port? What are we talking about?
Y'all are great. Thank you. Good people. Appreciate that, Matthew.
Should we move up out of this? This 15.
Next CPI is September, right?
I don't know. I don't even look that far ahead.
It's on September.
I can pull off another non-red week this week. So far, I have not taken any trades on New York session these last 2 days. What is this?
Craziness. Jake here unlocked craziness.
Craziness. We got to short off the 10 a.m. today? No, I wouldn't short off the 10 a.m. Reason being, look at the 10 a.m. If you know how the 10 a.m. works, you need manipulation. The 10 a.m. for the 10 a.m. to work. The 10 a.m. has no manipulation. You have about a 4-point wick rate. This is a retap and retest. It means it's a break through the 10 a.m. level, retest on the other side for longs with resting liquidity. All 3 sessions hanging above. The 10 a.m. is not a. We didn't have any manipulation off it. Does that mean that we can't distribute off it? No, but I would say that that's likely. I'd say it's less likely for the 10 a.m. to play out.
Sure. Matthew, what link are you saying about? What link?
This candle, look at this 4-hour candle. Small wick here, what? 12 to 18, that's 3 points. That's not manipulation. So why would you want to short when we are delivering out of a 4-hour bullish fair value gap and we're clearly respecting it?
Like, trade with the trend.
And then we inverse this 15. There's really just and then we've taken out most liquidity to the downside. What would you target down below? You target this Asia low all the way down here? You put, it's
You don't know.
not too short.
Yeah. The mentor thingy? Yeah, go ahead, check it out, Matthew.
I'll never say I know. I don't know.
You don't know. Nope.
Section which claims to know.
I think they're just like, they can say whatever they want. Market.
So I am very interested in this data wick below. There's just too much going on in these short direction. It's just too close.
Alright, I'm going to close my YouTube stream now.
Close here too, guys. Fortunately, today's just not days. I'm at 10 a.m. Player.
Yeah, guys, have an amazing day, and we'll see you all tomorrow again.
Lady, we'll see you guys tomorrow morning for the New York session. Hopefully, we can get your win. I'll also see you guys later tonight. Thanks.
Have an amazing day. Bye bye.